Dear students, hope you are doing well. This is our 6th week. In this week, we will do our 5th experiment. Let's begin. In this experiment, we will design a circuit and write necessary codes to activate and deactivate even odd LEDs sequentially at a time. The required components are Arduino UNO, LED, resistor and ground terminal. Here we present the working procedure. First we will draw the circuit and take Arduino UNO, resistors, LEDs and ground terminal and then connect all of those using wires. After that we will write code for turning on and off the odd LEDs and next we will write codes for turning on and off the even LEDs, and lastly we will link the code with the circuit and simulate the circuit for getting output. First we will draw the circuit in Protea software. For that, at first place an Arduino UNO, then take 6 300 ohm resistors, then connect 6 LEDs with the resistors. I have taken all yellow colored LEDs, then connect each LED with separate ground terminals. Now the circuit design is done. I have used pin number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for connecting the LEDs. You must remember the pin numbers as you need to give the pin numbers in the code. Now it's time to write the logical instructions in Arduino software. We need a variable for storing the pin numbers. Here I have declared a variable named I. I have not given any value in it. It will get the values from the for loop. In the void loop section, void setup section, I have written a for loop which repeats 6 times. In the first iteration, the value of LED, the value of I variable is 0. It increases by 1 in the next iteration, and in each iteration, the pin mode function executes for the specific number of pin to send it to the output. Then the void loop part, 2 for loops are written, one for sending high voltage, 4 for loops are written, 2 for sending high voltage to the pin numbers sequentially even on odd pin numbers, and the rest 2 are written for sending low voltages to odd and even pin numbers, odd and even LEDs sequentially. There are 300 millisecond delay in each loop. We have executed the loop from 0 to 5 because we have connected 6 pins. We have connected 6 LEDs and used 6 pins of the Arduino UNO, which are from 0 to 5. The first loop within the void loop part, 2 for loops are written, one for sending high voltage to pin numbers sequentially and another for loop sends low voltage to the pin numbers. There are 300 millisecond delay in both loops. We have executed the loop from 0 to 5 because we have connected 6 pins. We have used 6 pins. The first loop within the void digital write, within the void loop part, digital write function sends high voltage to the 0th pin, 2 number pin and 4 number pin. Then the next loop sends low voltage in the same increasing sequence. After that, third loop within the void loop part, the digital write function sends high voltage to 1 number pin, 3 number pin and 5 number pin. Then the next loop sends low voltage in the same increasing order. In this screenshot, we can see the location of the hex file. After compiling the code, we will copy the location and paste it in the program file box of the Arduino UNO. Now we should come to the Proteus software and simulate the circuit. Here the sequence of the output is shown. The top image shows that the first 0 number pin connected LED is turned on, then the next odd LEDs will turn on sequentially with a delay of 300 milliseconds after it is turning on, and in the same sequence it will turn off. Here we can see the turning on and off sequence of event LEDs. First 1 number pin connected LED turns on, then 3 and then 5 number pin turns on. Then they turn off in the same sequence. This is our desired output. That's all for today. Thank you.